Hello students, welcome back once again to our class. Today we'll be solving few questions from your textbook, exercise 5.3. So before we start, let me just highlight few formula here. Okay, the first formula is Sn equal to n by 2, then here twice a plus n minus 1 whole d. The second, Sn equal to n by 2, here a plus l. Okay, so this Sn means sum of the first n terms. So let me explain by giving one example here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So now I want to find the sum of the first 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means from 2 till up to 8. So these are the first 4 terms. If I add them, I'm sure we'll be getting here 20. Okay, so this 20, but now we are going to use the formula and find it. Let me use the first one, just see. Sorry, S4. S4 means sum of the first 4 terms. Then here n, so it will be 4 again by 2. 2 into a means here the first term is 2 plus 4 minus 1. The value of d will be a2 minus a1, so 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'm sure you will get here 2 to 4 plus 6. So here 2 into 10, we get here 20. This is how we are going to use the formula. Okay, so now let me tell you one more here. Second formula. Okay, so I just write here one AP. In this AP we have only 4 terms. How many terms? 4 terms. So here I know A, and I know the common difference, and I know even the last term as well. Sorry, last term is 8, and n will be how much? 4. I know first term, I know common difference, I know the number of terms, and I know the last term as well. Okay, so this S4 will be written as, so 4 by 2. Here the first term is 2. Here the last term is 8. Okay, so in this formula I use only A, N, and L. I did not use actually D. So according to the available information data, then we have to just use the formula accordingly. Okay, now we'll be solving the questions. Here is the question number 1. Find the sum of the following APs. So actually we have I have just chosen here 2 questions only from question number 1. So the first one, 2, 7, 12, and go on. And here is 10 terms. That means we are supposed to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So let me start the solution directly. Okay, run figure 1. Let me just show you the question. The first one, 2, 7, 12, and here to 10 terms. Okay, solution. Here first term is 2. Common difference is a2 minus a1, so we get here 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so therefore we are supposed to find the sum of the first 10 terms. That's why I'm writing here 10. So here n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1 whole d. So in place of n, I'm going to write here 10. So 10 by 2. 2 into a means 2 plus here 10 minus 1, d is 5. So 10 by 2 we'll be getting here 5. 2 into 2, 4, here plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5, 45. So 5 into 49. So we'll be getting here 245. Okay, next we'll be solving around figure 4. Here's the question. Here first term is 1 by 15. Common difference d will be a2 minus a1. so it will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So if we take LCM for 12 and 15, we are supposed to get here 60. So 12 into 5, 60. So 5 into 1, it will be 5. 15 for 60, so it will be 4. So we have here 1 by 60. Okay, now we know the first term and we know the common difference. So let me just wipe out this part. So therefore, sum of the first 11 terms, that means S11 equal to here n by 2, here twice a plus n minus 1 whole d. So here 11 by 2, 2 into a means 1 by 15 plus here 11 minus 1, and d will be 1 by 60. So next will be 11 by 2, then we'll be writing here 2 into 1 2, so 2 by 15, 2 by 15. So plus 11 minus 1, we have 10 here, then 1 by 60. So 0 0 cancel. So what we get is 11 by 2, then this is 2 by 5, and from here we will get 1 by 6. If we take LCM for 15 and 6, we'll be getting here 30. So now it will be 30. So 15 into 2, 30. So 2 into 2 again, 4, plus 6 into 5, 30. So 5 into 1, 5. So here 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. 3 3 9, 3 10 30. So 11 into 3, 33. 2 into 10, 20. So the sum of the first 11 terms for this given AP is 33 by 20. We'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. Find the sum given below. Okay, I think the way of giving the question is somehow different. So I'll just tell you here. Let me write a one arithmetic progression here. Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, then here minus 230. This is an AP. So like some terms are hidden here. Exactly we do not know how many terms are here, but we can find. So if the terms are combined by addition, so like this, minus 5 plus, then here minus 8, then plus minus 11, then here plus, then minus 230. Then the terms are expressed in the form of sum. Then we call it arithmetic series. So but we have to use the same formula only, there is no difference. Okay, so here first term is minus 5, and common difference is a2 minus a1, we have minus 8, then here minus, and a1 is minus 5. So we'll be getting here minus 8 plus 5, we get here minus 3. We know the first term and we know the common difference, and moreover we know the last term as well, but we do not know how many terms are there in this AP. So first we have to find out number of terms in this arithmetic series. So let an equal to minus 230. We just assume that this an is minus 230. So a plus here n minus 1, here d equal to minus 230. So what is the value of a? Minus 5, plus here n minus 1, d is minus 3. Then we have here minus 230. Okay, so let me just wipe out this part. So minus 5. Okay, so let me just continue here. Minus 5. You can just assume that this minus 3 is actually lying here, nothing wrong. So plus into this minus 3, I'm sure you'll be getting here minus 3, and this n minus 1 will be here. So minus 3 into n, you will be getting here minus thrice n. Minus 3 into minus 1, you'll be getting here plus 3. So we have here minus 230 30. So minus 5 plus 3 sorry, you will be getting here minus 2 minus thrice and equal to minus 230. So minus thrice is here, minus 230, and this minus 2 will be coming to the right hand side. Now it will be plus 2. So here minus thrice n equal to minus 228. So minus and minus cancel, so that n will be given by 228 divided by 3. So 3 7 21, 3 6 18. So the value of n is 76. So now we know first term, we know even L is minus 230, and n is 76. So we can write here, therefore S 76 equal to n by 2, then here A plus L. So n means 76, so 76 divided by 2, the value of A is minus 5, so minus 5 plus L is minus 230. So if you divide 76 by 2, we'll be getting here 38, then here minus 5 plus into minus, so 230, 30, and we'll be getting here 38 into minus 235. Okay, now let's multiply. 235 into 38, 8 5 40, we get it 4 in hand, 8 3 24, 28 2, 8 2 16, 18, 3 5 15, 1 3 3 9 10, again 1 3 2 6 7, so 8 9 3 0. So now we'll be writing here plus into minus, so 8930. So this is the sum. Then we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. How many terms of the AP must be taken to give a sum of 636? So let me just write the AP here. 9, then 17, then 25, and so on. And 636. Okay, now let me explain you the question once. This is the given AP. Okay, so if I add the first two terms, we'll be getting here 26. So my question is, the question is similarly like, if the sum is 26, then how many terms, how many first terms will be added? So the answer will be, we will add the first two terms. So here, if we want to get 636, then how many terms will be taken? It may be 11, it may be 12, we are not sure. So let us check it now. Okay, I'll be writing here, given AP. What is the AP here? 9, 17, 25, and so on. Okay, so therefore, what is the first term here? 9, and common difference is A2 minus A1. So 17 minus 9, we get here 8. And next is let means, let us just assume, we are just making one assumption here. What is the assumption? Sum of the first n terms is how much? 636. So when we apply the formula, the value of n will come out definitely. Sorry, here n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 whole d. So we have here 636. So n by 2, 2 into. The value of a is 9. So here 9 plus here n minus 1. The value of d is 8. So 636. So n by 2, 2 into 9, 18 plus it will be 8n, then again next minus 8. Then we have here 636. So here n by 2, then 18 minus 8, we will be getting here 10 plus 8n equal to 636. Okay, so this part, let me just rub now. Okay, so implies we'll be writing this n by 2 here. Next, from these two terms, that means 10 and 8n, we can take two common. So I'll be writing here 2, then here 5, then here 4n. Then we have 636. So 2 cancel, so that this n will multiply to 5 and as well as 4n. So n into 5, we have here 5n plus n into 4n, 4n square. So we have 636. Okay, next will be 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. So this is actually, right now it is on the right hand side, so when it comes to the left hand side, the sign has to be changed into negative. Now we can do the factorization now. You can use any method actually, but we want to know the value of n. That's why you please remember your quadratic equation once here. You studied in chapter 4, quadratic equation. So in that chapter we studied so many chapters to solve so many methods, algebraic method I mean. So like splitting the middle term, then actually it comes under factorization, then quadratic formula, this and that. So you can choose any method, which one is more comfortable to you, you please do it. There is nothing wrong in that. So but for me, let me just do with factorization by using the splitting the middle term. And this is 4, okay, let me just write here, and this is actually minus 636. This minus sign, let me just leave it here. Okay, so 636. Okay, so 4 means you can write here 2 into 2. And what about 636? Let me just do it now. 2 3 2 1 2 8 2 1 5 9. Then here next 3 3 5 15, then 3 3 9. So we'll be writing here 2 2 3 and 53. 2, then here 2, then into 3, then 53. Okay, so we are going to find a pair of numbers whose product will be given by these two. And what sign is this? Minus. So when we subtract the two numbers, we are supposed to get 5. So let us just find out. 2 2 4, 4 2 8, 8 2 16, 16 into 3 48. So that means if we multiply this part, then we'll be getting here 48. So remaining is 53. So when we multiply these two numbers, the product will be same as the product of this one only. So I'll just tell you 4 6 24, 2 4 3 12, 14 1, 4 6 24 25. So we are going to find the two numbers whose product is 2544, and when we subtract the two numbers, we are supposed to get 5. That means difference will be 5. So 53 into 48 surely we'll be getting 2544, but when we find the difference, so 53 minus 48, we're getting here 5. So the pair of the numbers that we are looking for are 48 and 53. So here 4n square plus, this is 53 minus 48. So 53 minus 48. Then it will be n here, so minus 636 equal to 0. So here 4n square plus 53 and minus 48 and minus 636 equal to 0. So from the first two terms we can take n common, then remaining will be 4n plus 53. So even from here we can take how much? Here both are negative. So let me tell you one thing. The factor that we get here, you should get the same factor as well. So that means it will be again 4n plus 53. So now it will be how much now? It will be 12. So then we get here 0, so that n minus 12 will be getting here 4n plus 53, so equal to 0. So either n minus 12 equal to 0, or this 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So here n will be 12, and here n will be minus 53 divided by 4. So let me tell here something here. Here we are getting two different values of n, but the first value is 12, so it's a natural number, and this is negative. It's not natural, I mean. So in the formula of arithmetic progression, the value of n should be a positive integer. Positive integer means that should be natural number, counting number. So since it is not a natural number, we have to reject this value. So here you can just write here rejected as n equal to minus 53 by 4 is not a, you can say, natural number in the simple way. So therefore n is what? 12. Now we know the number of terms. Number of terms means the first 12 terms must be taken so that it will give the sum 636. So therefore the first 12 terms must be taken to give a sum of 636. So after this we'll be moving to the next question. Here is the question. The first term of an AP is 5. So let me move this little bit. First term is 5 and the last term is 45. So L is 45 and the sum is 400. That means for that particular AP, when we add all the terms, it gives how much? 400. So here S is 400. Now we are asked to find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, now let's start. So here you can write given first term is 5 and last term is 45, and what is the next one? Sum is 400. So we have to find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, so we are going to use two different formulas here. An equal to a plus n minus 1 whole d. Okay, next Sn equal to n by 2, here twice a plus n minus 1 whole d, and one more is n by 2, then here a plus l. Okay, let us think properly once which one will be right to use actually, which one is the most appropriate one. Okay, if I look at the first one, okay, you can replace the value of this an as 45. Okay, you know the first term, at the same time you do not know d and you do not know n. So in one equation you do not know 2, we have 2 unknown. But what about the next one? N I do not know, d also I do not know. So like same thing happens. And let us look at the last one. This Sn value, it will be 400. Okay, and I do not know a, I know l, I know. That means this will be our option. Okay, but Sn is equal to n by 2, then here a plus l. So how much? It is 400. Okay, so here n by 2, what is the value of a? A is 5, and what about l? 45. So we have here 400. So n by 2 into 5 plus 45 will be getting here 50. So it will be 400. Okay, so next it will be 25. So now n will be 400 divided by 25. So it will be 1 and 6, so 16. So the value of n is 16. That means we have 16 number of terms in this AP, but we're asked to find the common difference again. Okay, So let me just wipe out this part. But n is 16. Okay. Again, this L is 45. L means it is just we have to apply the same formula of an only. So a plus n minus 1 whole d, then 45. First term is 5 plus n. We have how many terms? 16, and the last term is 45. So it will be now 16 minus 1, and d is like this only, d. So 5 plus 16 minus 1, it will be 15. So 15d equal to 45. So 15d equal to 45 minus 5. So d will be 40 divided by 15. So 5 8 are 40, 5 3 15. So we get here 8 by 3. So we know the value of n and we know the value of d as well. So number of terms is 16 and the common difference is 8 by 3. Students, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'd be learning at least something today, and we'll be meeting again in the next class. Thank you.